Everyone says learn programming or get left behind, but is coding really worth hundreds of hours in 2026? Today, we'll uncover the honest truth about programming, money, careers, and whether this skill actually deserves time. Let's start with the biggest misunderstanding about programming. People think learning to code automatically means becoming a six-figure software engineer, but reality is much more complicated. Imagine two friends, Alex and Ryan. Alex spends 2 years learning programming because he heard coding is the future, but never builds anything useful. Ryan learns the same skills but uses them to automate boring tasks, create small projects, and solve real problems. The difference isn't the programming language, it's the purpose behind learning it. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, software jobs remain valuable, but the field has become more competitive. Even computer science expert Andrew Ng has explained that AI is changing how programmers work, not simply replacing everyone. In 2026, knowing code is less about typing mysterious commands and more about thinking clearly, creating solutions, and adapting faster than others. Now here's where things get interesting. Programming is no longer just about getting hired by a giant tech company. The real value is that code can become a powerful tool in almost any career. A designer can create websites, a business owner can automate boring work, and a student can analyze information faster. Think about someone who spends 3 hours every week manually organizing data. A simple script could turn that into a 5-minute task. That's the kind of advantage programming creates. But there's also a harsh truth. The internet is full of people who learned hello world and expected opportunities to appear magically. They are like someone buying a gym membership and wondering why their muscles didn't grow after one visit. Research from the World Economic Forum highlights that analytical thinking and technology skills are becoming increasingly important, but the ability to use them effectively matters most. The skill is valuable because of what it helps you accomplish. But is programming still worth learning when AI can now write code in seconds? This is the question many beginners are asking in 2026. The answer is more complicated than AI will replace programmers or AI changes nothing. Tools like GitHub Copilot and other AI assistants can generate code quickly, but they still need humans who understand what the code should do, whether it is correct, and how to improve it. It's similar to using a calculator. Calculators didn't destroy mathematics. They changed how people use math. The programmers who struggle will likely be those who only memorize syntax without understanding problems. The valuable skill is becoming the person who can tell technology what to build and why. As author Cal Newport explains in his book, So Good They Can't Ignore You, rare and useful skills create opportunities. Programming can still be powerful, but only if you learn it beyond copying tutorials.